how to add another account in Microsoft Teams. So if you want to go ahead and do this, you can open up your website and open your Teams from there. But of course, you have the option to do it in the app version as well. So you'll see this profile picture in the top right corner. You go ahead and press on that. Then you'll have the option to add another account. So you'll get this little tab. You can go ahead and enter the email of the account you want to add and password so that you can complete any verification steps afterward. And then once added, you can switch between accounts anytime by clicking the profile picture again and selecting the account you want to use. Microsoft's official support notes that Teams allows multiple accounts and it will let you easily switch between them without signing out each time. But if you are using a work or school account, you can also add them through the settings. Go ahead here, press on settings, and then you can find it here on your accounts. So this will help your teams recognize the account much more automatically. But keep in mind that some older versions of Teams only support one work or school account. But hopefully the information in this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.